Toggl Plan is a simple yet powerful project management tool designed to help teams plan, organize, and track their projects visually. It offers an intuitive interface to manage tasks, track progress, and collaborate efficiently. Here's how to get started with Toggl Plan. Create a new account. Visit Toggl Plan and sign up for an account using your email or Google or Facebook credentials. Create a new plan. Once logged in, click on the New Plan button to create a new project or plan. Give your plan a name and start adding tasks. Organize tasks. Add tasks to your project by clicking the Add Task button. You can create subtasks, assign due dates, and categorize tasks into sections or milestones. Drag and drop scheduling. Use the drag and drop functionality to organize tasks on the timeline. This helps in visualizing task dependencies and scheduling them efficiently. Assign team members. Assign specific team members to tasks by selecting the Assign option. This ensures that everyone knows who is responsible for completing each task. Set deadlines and milestones. Define deadlines for tasks to keep projects on track. Additionally, set milestones to represent significant project phases or completion points. Track progress. Toggl Plan provides an overview of progress through a visual timeline. You can easily track how tasks are progressing toward their deadlines. Collaborate and communicate. Use comments, file attachments, and integrations to collaborate with your team directly within Toggl Plan. Generate reports. Toggl Plan allows you to generate reports to monitor task completion and visualize project milestones and timelines.